The objectives of the Amazigh Foundation of Tunisia. We propose a series of recommendations and programs of action as an independent structure. A timetable of action is being carried out in Tunisia and Europe to compensate for the efforts made in the field of local associations and aims to put an end to material, financial, and moral disadvantages. Socio-educational and cultural component. 1. The right to follow the investigations carried out on the speakers, the Tamazight dialects. 2. The development of lexicons, guides, creation of libraries, and Amazigh cultural centers in all regions of Tunisia. 3. The collection and publication of books and testimonies on the Amazigh people of Tunisia. The transcription of their oral memory in the various regions that are still Amazigh-speaking. 4. Financial support for the development of teaching and educational materials in Tamazight and trilingual Tamazight, Arabic, Tunisian dialect, and French. Jurisdictional component. 1. A right of inspection and report on the teaching of Tamazight in Tunisia. 2. The desire to create a cultural exception at the jurisdictional level for Amazigh cultural products. Free export and import of Amazigh products. Free posts and customs for the Amazigh press. 3. Annual publication of the report on the investments. Calls for tenders of the Tunisian state, of local economic actors in favor of the promotion of Tamazight in Tunisia. 4. Action lobbying for the formalization of Tamazight in the Tunisian constitution. Media component. 1. Lobbying for the creation of local television channels and newspapers, electronic editions, intellectual and artistic works. 2. An action lobbying for the free reception of Moroccan, Libyan, Tuareg, Kabyle, and Algerian channels in Tamazight with free access for all Tunisians in the package of the top 10 national channels. 3. Encouraging the dissemination of the Kabyle.com media and its Amazigh news edition in Tunisia on electronic and paper media. Awareness component. 1. Intensification of awareness-raising actions. Road signs in towns and villages in Tifinagh. 2. An annual cultural caravan in Tunisia. 3. Revive the use of the Tifinagh script, Amazigh script. For many communities, especially those facing marginalization or oppression, gaining visibility on these platforms is an uphill and ongoing battle. This struggle is often exacerbated by deliberate attempts at suppression by governments that seek to control speech and limit access to information. We are aware that the algorithms that govern search engines reinforce societal inequalities. We remain committed to defending our right to be heard and to continue to fight for fair and equitable visibility on digital platforms. Do not hesitate to link to our site and strengthen our network.